Good morning, everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional, as well as Bing Ads and Facebook Ads certified marketer, and I have a Google partner company as well. In this video, I have a very interesting and very knowledgeable question with you guys, and this is actually for those who are struggling to know on how to check their competitor ads on Facebook. And this is actually troublesome questions for newbies, and even many professionals don't know how to do this. I am going to tell you an easiest, cheapest way, through which, even free way, not you have to pay anything, and you can get the access completely free. So what you have to do, you have to watch this video full. But before I go further, I want you to make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can keep on seeing videos like these. So let's get started on this without wasting any further time. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to open a Facebook page of any competitor for whom you are looking to figure out their ad. For instance, if I open Facebook over here and I try to find out ad, let's say for for Black Rose, even for and even this, I can even, let's open another company. For instance, you can search out on any company and figure out their ads. So what you have to do, so let's say you have opened page like this. Okay, so what you have to do over here, this is a cosmetic brand. For instance, if you are looking to figure out their ads, what you have to do, you have to go to their about section, and here you can go to their page transparency. You can see the page is currently running ads. Press the see all, you can see, and go to ad library from here, and you can see they are running 12 results launched in April 2023. So you can see it's 30th April today, at the time of creating this video. And you can see their ads. You can also figure out, like, they are running on Facebook, Instagram, Facebook Audience Network, Facebook Messenger. This ad has multiple versions. You can see the ad over here. You can see, for instance, you can see this ad, two ads use this creative and text, so it means that this creative is being used in two of their ads. You can see ad details over here, and you can see the details of the ad, the variations, whatever they are trying to advertise on, you can see from here. And you can see all of their ads. Okay, but not only this, you can search for any brand. You can even let's say you can see any, let's say if I'm going to search for Canada, just water filter Canada, and I can find out the advertisers running ads over there. Let's say this one. So no ads match for it right now. Okay, this is a small one. This I hardly think. Like, you can search from here as well. Let's say this one. You can see that they are running 43 results in Australia and New Zealand. You can even figure out their ads, learn where they are advertising, date on which they started, is it currently active or not, or post. You can see ad details from over here. So it's quite easy for you to figure out what they are doing on. And you can also check out their Facebook and Instagram pages. Little more about this brand. Okay, this is for any of the competitor. By searching over here, we did a random search, but in case if you are pinpointing someone who is running ads, but you are not sure on what kind of ad they are running, you can exactly figure out by doing this. For instance, let me do for another brand over here. Let's say for okay, again, for instance, this brand. Okay, because I know that this brand do some kind of activity, so which is why I know about this. So go to about of this page. Just a second. Okay, it's also possible that they are not running from here, but what we can do is we can search on ad library directly about them as well. So we have seen over here they are running ads. Okay, and we can find out ads for them as well. Now for instance, there is a famous mobile brand in UAE with the name of Do. Okay, or for instance Etisalat is or for instance Etihad is very famous airline company. Okay, even if it isn't work from here, what you can do is you can directly in ad library you can put the name and get their data of what kind of ads they are running. So you can see that they are running about 800 results. So you can see a lot of stuff over here. Still scrolling. So you have almost access to every thing they are doing. So the Facebook ads.com library is going to be a gold mine for you guys. Anyone who is trying to look out on ad, you can do category search, select your location, have search categories. So a lot of functional features with you, and again it's all completely free. So I hope you like this, and in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And if you are looking for our services regarding Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO services, Bing ads management, you are more than welcome to contact us through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.